days of the week rap.
Well, wait.
Monday's here, the week's begun. Rise and shine, get things done. Tuesday follows, moving fast. Work and play, we make it last. Wednesday's here, the week's on track. No slowing down, no looking back. Thursday's rolling, almost through. One more push, then fun for you. Sunday, Monday, what's the plan? Tuesday, Wednesday, take a stand. Thursday, Friday, feeling great. Saturday's the time to celebrate. Days of the week rap. Friday's cool, the weekend's near. Dance and laugh, the joy is here. Saturday's the best, no doubt. Call your friends, let's hang out. I say Sunday, you say fun day. I say Monday, you say run day. Tuesday, you say who's day. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Sunday, Monday, what's the plan? Tuesday, Wednesday, take a stand. Thursday, Friday, feeling great. Saturday's the time to celebrate. Days of the week rap. 7 days, we got 'em right. Sing 'em loud, hold on tight. Learn 'em quick, now let's repeat. Days of the week got a solid beat.